Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 7th of October in the year 2024, our system has designated Intel as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.51. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.83%. This amounts to an average return of 1.61% per day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $24.08 would first indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the beginning of a trend shift. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible decrease of 33.09% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 58.33% to negative 31.33%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of 43.76% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 60.17% and negative 23.45%. This translates to a price range of $9.34 to $17.96 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Intel stock after gaining 0.6%. The Intel stock price increased by 0.6% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024. The price rose from $23.32 to $23.46. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 1.82%, with a low of $23.06 and a high of $23.48. The stock has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days and is down by 0.3% over that period. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 13 million shares, with a total of 44 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.03 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 54.25%, or $27.82, below the 52-week high, and 66.14%, or $45.83, below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2020. At that time, the price peaked at $69.29. Intel is set to report its third quarter financial results on the 31st of October, which could be a pivotal moment for investors. This announcement, following a period of volatility where Intel's stock dropped nearly 40% before rebounding, will provide insight into the company's ongoing restructuring and its competence in regaining market share against competitors like NVIDIA and AMD. Analysts have expressed mixed sentiments about Intel's performance. Recently, an analyst revised estimates and price targets across the semiconductor sector, indicating a cautious outlook for Intel. This sensitivity to analyst sentiment can influence short-term stock price movements, particularly leading up to the earnings report. Additionally, Intel has secured a significant $3 billion deal tied to the CHIPS Act, positioning itself to benefit from increased government support for domestic semiconductor production. This could enhance investor confidence in its long-term prospects. Intel's ongoing efforts to pivot towards artificial intelligence and enhance its product offerings also remain crucial. The company is aggressively investing in research and development for custom AI chips, with analysts projecting a rebound in earnings per share by the year 2025. If these strategies pay off, they may not only stabilize stock performance in the coming quarters, but could potentially lead to significant appreciation as market sentiment shifts positively. In conclusion, while immediate challenges persist, such as competition and market volatility, Intel's strategic moves and upcoming financial disclosures are vital factors that could dictate both short-term trading sentiment and long-term stability for its stock. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Intel a grade of equal weight along with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark rated Intel with a buy grade and a hold action. On the same day, Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Wolfe Research issued a reduced grade for Intel, also with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated Intel as underperform with a hold action. On that same day, Exane BNP Paribas also gave Intel an underperform grade accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and rate the price-to-book value similarly as buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts recommend a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The chart today reveals mostly positive signals. Intel stock demonstrates buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $22.73 and $21.26. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 24.19%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MCD. During the last trading day, volume decreased despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal from 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 135 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 143 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $21.84 and $21.48. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support. In this instance, Intel has support just below today's level at $21.84. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.48 and $21.47. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock moved 420 cents between its high and low, or 1.82%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. The notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at -3 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $23.54. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this level could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $21.84. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from various analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of September, in the year 2024, Yuri Frank D. executed an insider purchase of 3,136,763 shares of phantom stock units. On the same date, Smith Gregory D. also carried out an insider purchase of 1,516,102 shares of phantom stock units. Additionally, on the 27th of September, Eshraq Omar conducted an insider purchase of 1,106,985 shares of phantom stock units. On that day, Goldsmith Andrea Joe made an insider purchase of 1,254,706 shares of phantom stock units. Earlier, on the 31st of August, Gowl Scott executed an insider sale of 2,024 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 1.627. In summary, insiders acquired a total of 440,463 shares, while selling 421,731 shares in the latest 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.60, reflecting a decline of 3.67%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 23 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are showing positive signs. Even though the stock is currently on a downward trend, we believe this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of October, we anticipate that Intel will open lower by approximately 12.7 cents and begin trading at $23.33. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.